Alright guys, this is a Concourse 14 2010 ABS. This will work for Kawasaki, Honda, Yamaha, and other brands that have the floating rotors. If you have any vibration, palpitation, or any shaking due to the rotors, your rivets might be stuck and seized in there. You have to make sure that I'll use this plier or other tools that you press and apply pressure and you free them up until it move freely from the center of the base of the rotor and the rotor itself, and then you go sideways. Sideways. You can use any lubricant as to clean the dirt and the brake dust, the brake pad dust. Started doing this and my brakes are perfectly. Before they were shaking and vibrating. I was about to buy new rotors, and I thought about cleaning the rivets and free them up because they were pretty stuck. So once you have them pretty free, what you do is you spray something in between the rivet, or you can see I use this little brush. Apply some oil there. I'm using Motul 300V, just as a leftover. You'd be able to use any lubricant. And then once you have it lubricated, then move the rivet around. This way, that oil can go inside there, and the rivet, and between the base of the rotor and the rotor itself. Make sure it moves nice and free like that, and you'll see that your vibration, palpitation on the front brakes will go away. This worked since the minute I did it the first time. I have a video, and this is the second video I'm doing. And make sure you move it around. You'll be able to see all the oil is all over the rivet there. And then remove the excess of oil from both sides, and that's it. You're done. This is Kawasaki Concourse 14 with the floating rotors. Will work pretty much for every motorcycle, Honda, Yamaha, any brand that's got the floating rotors like this rivets or like that. Make sure you apply pressure and move them around and free them up, and then you will improve and you'll have zero vibration.